If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. So to give you guys an idea of what we're going to be drawing, this is the drawing that I did for Inktober Day 30, the Stegosaurus. So feel free to draw along and slow down the video if you have to. Alright, Day 30 of Inktober, finally. I mean, I'm pretty far behind on Inktober. There has been some personal issues in real life I've had to take care of. But yeah, I'm trying to finish all the dinosaurs of the list of Inktober as good as I can and as fast as I can. But unfortunately, I'm a little behind, which is fine. I'm still gonna finish them, so don't worry. So, if you want to draw along with this video, make sure you don't press down too hard on your pencil at this point, because every mistake that we make, we're gonna have to erase. And we're also gonna have to erase the pencil lines in general later on anyways, because if we're gonna go over them with markers, you will always be able to see the pencil lines, and you'll never be able to erase them anymore because the markers are layered on top of them. So what you should do is draw the sketch, then erase the sketch and go over it with ink, and then you should use the markers on top. So I know a lot of you guys probably color your drawings with colored pencils or very cheap water-based markers, but I really would recommend for everybody that's watching this video to use alcohol markers. And I know that might sound like a pricey thing, but nowadays you have alcohol markers that are even cheaper than some water-based markers. The reason why you should use alcohol markers is because they, instead of using water, they use alcohol, which is great for blending colors. So your drawings will look more natural and they will look more professional as well. So anyways, yeah, like as you can see, I'm using the Ohuhu in almost all of my videos, Ohuhu markers, which I really recommend for everybody. They have a brush nip, which is you know, it's really good for details, and it looks pretty natural when it comes to like grass, for example. You're gonna see that in a little bit. And there's a lot more cheaper markers on the market, I'm pretty sure, but just make sure before you're buying them, because they can be expensive. And even if you're gonna do like less expensive markers and you're, you know, deciding to buy a lot of them, it's still gonna be pricey. So make sure you look up some reviews of people that are actually experienced with using alcohol markers, to see if, you know, if they're good for you, and to see if it's worth your money. Ohuhu markers are a little bit more expensive than, you know, like the markers that are on the market right now, but they're worth it. They're really worth it. You have a lot of different colors. You can I'm not sure if you can refill them, which is a feature of a lot of markers, but I mean, yeah, I really like them. I love how they feel. I love how I can make my artwork with it. And yeah, well, make sure to subscribe, by the way.